So here are our common prefixes that we're going to use in chemistry. So a prefix goes in front of a base unit. A base unit is anything like grams, seconds, liters, meters, pascals, really anything that doesn't have a prefix in front of it, that is a base unit. We put a prefix to change like how many of them there are. So you need to know what the prefix is, the symbol, and then the meaning. So we're going to talk about the meaning. We're going to start at the bottom. Now as you go down, these are decreasing in size. So at the bottom we have the smallest. At the bottom we have the smallest. At the top we have the largest units. So starting at the bottom we have pico. Now there are X number of pico whatevers, picometers, picoliters, picoseconds, whatever you want to call it. There's X number of pico in 1 nano. So we're going to be constantly referring back, going up. Now the X number is 1,000. There are 1,000 picos in 1 nano. And then we can go from nano to micro. There are also 1,000 nanos in 1 micro. You're going to notice a trend here. From micro to milli, that's also 1,000. Now from milli, we're going to go up to the base unit. That's going to be our 1,000. We're skipping over our deci and centi for right now because they're the special ones. But from milli to base unit, it is 1,000. From the base unit to kilo, that is 1,000 because deca is weird, deca special, okay? And then from kilo to mega, that is 1,000. All right. Now I skipped over some special ones. So this one we have, let's look at milli to centi. Well, from milli to centi, there are 10. From centi to deci, there are also 10. And then from deci to the base unit, there are 10. And base to deca, there are 10. So those are all our tens. And then there's a couple 100s. From milli to deci, there's 100 millis in a deci. From centi to the base unit, that's 100. Think about like there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And then from deca to kilo, that's also 100. So those are our weird ones. Everything else is 1,000. So you need to know what the prefixes are, what their symbols are, and what they mean. Now there are a couple weird prefixes and unit relationships. One of them is that 1 centimeter cubed is the same as 1 milliliter. Right? They're the exact same thing. So that if you're given something in centimeters cubed and I say, okay, how many milliliters is that? It's going to be the same number. Another relationship you need to know is that 1 decimeter cubed is equal to 1 liter. Right? And then to convert between Kelvin temperature and Celsius temperature, you would take the temperature in Celsius and add 273 to it to get the temperature in Kelvin. So these are all relationships you need to know for your knowledge in chemistry.